Welcome back. So let's go back to our dashboard and talk about how we can now modify or delete an existing post. So now we want an existing post article. So now we will go on all posts. We'll click all posts. Then, for example, maybe you want to modify Hello World post article. Probably you did a typo error on the title of the post article. So you can click on quick edit, then you can say Hello World 2, then you update it. If you update it, then what it means is the post article title has changed. So if you go under news article and you click there, then this should be changed to Hello World 2. So then if you really want to I'll return back to Hello World. So you click again, quick access, then I'll erase this, then we update. That's it. So if you really want to change the content that is inside the post article, then you click the edit link and you'll be taken to the post article itself. Probably you want to add more text. So hello world, something like this. Or maybe you have placed this post article in a category that is wrong. So you click on the document and then you can change here to say no, this was not a news article, it was a case summary. So you then check that, you make sure that it is checked here. If you check both, then what will happen is these two will appear in two categories. What it means is it will be published both on news articles and case summaries. So try to make sure that only one box is checked here. So once you're done, we have you can click on update, right? Then if you come here and you refresh your page, you realize that under the article is no longer under news articles, it's gone. Where is it now? It's under case summaries. That's where we have changed the category. So now this is the article is under case summaries, right? So if so that's it. So if you want to go back again, we then go to view posts. Then if we want to, we can also use the quick edit link to also quickly change the categories as well. Like you can actually say we can return it back to its former or primary category. Then we click news article, then quickly update. So if you come here, you refresh, you find it will be gone under case summaries. So as you can see, it's gone. So where is it? It's now back under news articles. You get it. Then so the same applies if we go under post files. So if it's all post files, then what we can do is we can quick edit, we can change the categories quickly, or change the title to 2 and change that to say it's a pamphlet. Then we say update. So if we go under resources, if we refresh and we go under resources, before it was under annual reports, right? You see it's no longer there. It's no longer there, so it's under pamphlets. So you find that, here we go, now it's here. So the same applies. Let's say we want to really edit, let's say the body or the entire document itself. Probably we have uploaded a wrong file. So what we do is we come here and we click on this bin and we delete and say okay. If it's a link, we just highlight and erase. Then we select the file that we want. I will deliberately pick this one, and say open, so it will upload. Then once you're done, you just update the file. Oh, so the same applies. You can also change the title here, you can also change the categories down here, but everything else remains the same, right? So once you're done, you just click update, then you find that the content of the file has changed. So if we open here on downloads, you see that on the preview the file has changed. We have actually changed the file. Yeah, so that's it. So I want to also quickly talk about how we can delete. So we've spoken now about how we can create a post, modify it. Now we want to see how we can delete a post article. So you just go on posts. We'll start with posts, then you go on the article that you want to delete. So you just put a checkbox like that, then it's either you go on this. If you want to do a multiple deleting, you select all the files that you want to delete, then you go on bulk select actions, then you say move to trash, then you apply. Once you click apply, it will be moved to trash. If you want to delete just a single post, you just go on it and you click trash. So once it goes into trash, it's in a recycle bin. You have an option to really restore it if you feel you deleted it wrongly, or if you don't want it at all, you can delete, permanently delete, right? So that's how it goes. Same applies under post files. You go on all files, right? If you want to delete a number of files, then you just check them like that. Then you go on bulk actions and say move to trash. If you want to delete just a single file, you select one file and you click on trash. So the file will be trashed, right? Just like that. So once it's trashed, it means we won't see the file. It will give you an error for that the resource is not there. So the file is no longer there. So anyway, thank you. We have concluded, so I'll see you in the next class.